What is the real cost of owning too many things? It's way more than just money. It's your time, attention, energy, freedom. And truthfully, minimalism isn't about less. It's about enough.
Welcome to our channel. Here we dive deep into the human experience, offering insights and resources to help you build a better life.
In a world completely centered around materialism, many of us are trapped in cycles of accumulation and distraction. The urge to always possess more, whether it's the latest phone, a big house, or fancy cars, can create overwhelming stress and a reality of emptiness. This unconscious and persistent behavior obscures the path to real personal fulfillment, leaving you feeling stuck and frozen. We are going to explore the enlightening philosophy of minimalism. You will learn to declutter not just your physical living spaces, but also your mindset, enabling you to focus on what genuinely makes you happy. After you watch this video, you will have a far greater explanation of what minimalism is and how you can unlock new practical techniques for implementing minimalism, including mindfulness exercises and self-reflection techniques, all aimed at helping you in your journey toward a more purposeful, fulfilling existence. Living the minimalist life goes beyond donating a few things away. It's about understanding and maintaining a lifestyle that prioritizes mental clarity and authentic connections. At the core, minimalism is about focusing on what truly brings you value and significance. Allow yourself the time for introspection, deeply examine your relationship with material possessions, and recognize the different societal pressures dictating that relationship. Becoming aware of how most advertising functions will give you a massive realistic insight into why we always want more and more. But it's not just advertising, it's also largely our own human psychology. The minimalism philosophy challenges conventional metrics of success that are often centered around material wealth. Many equate success with possessions and money, reinforcing the false narrative that happiness is found in what we own. Minimalism postulates that true happiness arises from valuing experiences and nurturing our relationships. By prioritizing genuine relationships over material things, we can learn to instill a more profound sense of happiness in ourselves. Implementing minimalism also means embracing mindful consumption. Minimalism encourages us to pause and reflect on the long-term implications of our purchases. Try to get into the mindset of voting with your dollars. The practice of minimalism sparks intention. It challenges us to ask critical questions like, does this material possession improve my life? Or, am I making this purchase out of a real genuine need or from a want? Inquiries such as these help maintain focus on what aligns with our values and long-term goals. The pursuit of balance is integral to a minimalist philosophy. This is what promotes a harmonious existence where daily actions reflect our personal values. Living consciously and intentionally is the main guiding principle for minimalism. It entails making conscious decisions that align with one's true values instead of folding to external pressures. To implement minimalism effectively, ask yourself what items serve a clear purpose or actually bring you joy. You can begin the decluttering process by letting go of any possessions that no longer hold any value, focusing on quality rather than quantity. If you want more from life, then you need to create the space for it to exist, instead of hoarding everything and overloading your life so much that it is hard to even function. A very common challenge in adopting minimalism is the fear of letting go. Most of us attach sentimental value to different items, making it difficult to part with them. One of my biggest breakthroughs was learning that memories reside within you, not in physical objects. A critical point for sustaining minimalism is practicing mindful consumerism. Before making new purchases, really pause to evaluate their necessity and how they fit into your minimalist goals. Reflect on whether the item actually improves your life in a meaningful way. I'm not saying to never buy anything just for fun, but just become conscious of your intake of purchases and indulgences. You will be surprised how little one actually needs in order to live an abnormally happy life. Minimalism can switch our focus from material possessions to the richness of experiences and relationships. Recognizing that more material things often suffocate us rather than solve any problem. Remember to use self-reflection, mindful consumerism, and set clear intentions and boundaries. This will help you embrace the minimalism lifestyle. Each small step you take in decluttering and simplifying your life leads to greater mental clarity, higher emotional resilience, and authentic integrity. As you consider the benefits of minimalism, remember that this path is unique and personal to every single person. Embrace the change at your own pace, letting yourself reevaluate what truly matters to you. In doing so, you'll find not only a more organized space, but also a more fulfilled life. Remember, this journey of self-discovery and personal development takes time, effort, and patience. As you progress, you'll see the benefits unfolding before your eyes, and it's truly astounding. Please subscribe if you want to receive more valuable insights about the mind, psychology, and personal development. Thanks. I really appreciate you watching.